These gym bros thought they were the strongest guys around until they met a construction worker. To test their strength, they were challenged to lift 13 bags of cement stacked together. The two gym guys went first. One by one, they gave it their best shot, but none of them could lift it. Then it was the skinny construction worker's turn. What happened next left everyone speechless. With years of hard work and real-world labor behind him, he stepped up and did what the others couldn't. You can pump yourself full of steroids and lift heavy, isolated weights on a perfect gym floor. But the second you step into the real world, gym strength is nothing. Subscribe for more amazing videos like this.